Emily has a list. It's short, just 7 things. She is at the supermarket near her college. It's a Wednesday afternoon, and the store is quiet. Her friend Mia is coming over on Friday. Emily wants to cook something special for her. She's going to make beef stew. It's her mom's recipe. Emily goes to the vegetable section first. She picks up carrots, potatoes, and an onion. She holds up a potato and checks it carefully. Her mom always said to pick firm ones. She puts 3 good ones in her basket and moves on. Next, she finds the celery. She gets a few stalks and adds them to her basket. She almost forgets the garlic. She turns back and picks up a small bulb near the onions. Next, she goes to the meat counter. A man behind the counter asks if she needs help. Emily asks about beef for stew. He cuts a nice piece and wraps it up for her. She says thank you and puts it in her basket. She's doing well. Just one more thing on the list. She goes to the soup aisle to find beef stock. She finds the section, but the brand she always buys is not there. There is an empty space on the shelf where it should be. Emily looks at the other options. None of them are the right one. She thinks for a moment. Then she sees beef bouillon cubes on the shelf below. She picks up the box and reads the back. It looks like it will work fine. Her mom used bouillon sometimes too. Emily smiles and puts the box in her basket. She scans everything at the self-checkout station and puts it carefully into her bag. The total is a little more than she expected. Outside, the air is cool. She walks back toward her apartment with her bag in her hand. She thinks about Friday. She thinks about the warm smell of stew filling her small kitchen. It's going to be a good evening. Mia is going to love this.